Hey, oh ye biri biri, oh ye call me oh. Anuluwa ye call me oh. My God. Hi people, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you are coming for the first time, I'm a Nigerian content creator, blogger, YouTuber based in Ogun State, Nigeria. I said I'm in Nigeria, I want to say based in Ogun State. You guys get the drift. Today's video, I am going to be showing you how to tie this ashoki Gele turban style. Like, I don't know what to call it, but hands down, this is one of the simplest Gele styles you can tie. It's super simple, super glamorous. It's giving me that, you know, that sweet baby girl vibe. You know, I work on the music vibe. It's not until my Gele is like this that you know I have money vibe. So this Gele is super simple to tie. It's perfect for people who don't like to show their hair. It's perfect if you have a bad hair day. It's perfect if you're not ready to tie your destiny in the process of tying Gele. Because one cool thing about this Gele is I didn't actually tie anything. All you need is the Gele and some safety pins, say like 5 safety pins, and you are good to go. This is super simple to follow. So without further ado, don't let me advertise the Gele too much. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this Gele. This is one of my favorite Geles. If you've been watching this channel, you know that I used why is my eye looking like as if I'm sindering? I'm not sindering, it's just the grace of God upon my life. If you're watching this channel, you know this Gele. This is the Gele that I used for how to tie fan Gele. So for this tutorial, we are going to take the Gele and make it into, we're going to divide it into 50-50. Now if you don't know what 50-50 is, you don't know the terms in terms of Gele, and you're watching this video for the first time, 50-50 means you just divide your Gele into 2 equal halves. I need to drop my mic. One major thing I try to achieve with my tutorials is I try to make it as explanatory as possible. I try to break it down, you know, make it simple to understand. Because I mean, what's the essence of teaching something and you don't get it? So for this Gele, like I said, we're going to divide it into 50-50, and we are going to make some pleats. Now the pleats you're going to be making on this actual Gele would need to go all the way around. However, for this tutorial, because it's going to be like a very beginner friendly tutorial, I'm not going to make too many pleats. I'm going to make 4 pleats, and we are tying from the back. Now make sure that your pleats come all the way to the front. This one you can just tuck, so you can see this. You can see this pleat. Ensure you have all your pleats like so. Let's leave that there. It would have been really nice if I had somebody to hold this for me, but seeing as that is not the case, so 4 pleats. Now what you want to do now is you will take this and twist like this. You get it? Just twist. Very simple twist. It's going to look like you are tying it's going to look like all this Indian turban. So twist. If you didn't get that, basically what I did was I took, now I was bringing it left and right, and I just twisted it. Dakpada, you know, you say back to sender. I sent it back to the sender. So we're going to once we've done that, we're going to continue. Now the thing with this Gele is when you tie it, it will look like you have everything all figured out. So you're on your scoop. So you're going to continue with pleats. Let me show you guys. Continue making pleats like this. Now on this side as well, keep the pleats going. Don't let it disappear. Keep the faith alive. I'm just going to look for somewhere to pin this into. So I'm going to be taking my office pin. After making it go all the way to the back, I'm going to also has that in my bumble. You want to vote? So I'm going to just pin it at the back. Okay, so what I've done here is I brought it back and I've pinned it. The aim at the end of the day is to cover everything but also have us looking very expensive. Then for the second one, we are going to spread it out, spread it like all the way out, cover. Can you guys see what I'm doing? So we pinned it here, but we're going to cover this. I mean, we have to cover all our tracks now. Then we're going to make a, what's it called now? We're going to make pleats, like gather it at the back, and then you can either tuck it in if it is not too tight, or find somewhere to pin it as well. So I'm going to just do that. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to pin it, but make sure it is looking really neat at the back when you are pinning it. We don't want to be looking like what we did not understand. So right now I just want to go back and emphasize some of the pleats that I have done, because we have to be looking sharp. Okay. So, and this Gele style is very perfect if you don't, like, for instance, now what I have inside this thing is all back, but as you can see it's all covered up, and at the back I am pinned. Hey, oh ye biri biri, oh ye call me, oh I know why you call me, oh. My Gele. If you ever recreate this look, tag me on social media. How are we turning up post corona? What events are you attending? I really like to know, so drop me a comment down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, or you just randomly enjoyed seeing this gorgeous face, hit that like button. If you like this content and you like to see more of this type of content, subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to check me out on social media. I am a Damie's Diary across all platforms, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.